Ah shit, look who it is, the Black Adam Sandler. New location unlocked. So you know what that means. It could only mean one thing. We're cooking, stupid. You niggas set stupid ass guesses, and that's why y'all don't get no far in life with this stupid ass. We're in the kitchen, dumbass. What else will we be doing? But welcome to another episode of Cooking with K, or K Cooks, whatever the fuck I named the show. I don't know. We ain't done the episode in forever. But today we are making a sushi rice, not a sushi rice ball, a sushi bake. So we're making that today. I already did a lot of the prep work because I'm busy trying to be on camera cooking all this shit, salmon and rice and all. Like, we know how to cook all that. We're grown. You should know how to cook salmon. You should know how to cook rice. And I'm gonna walk you through all the other bullshit, intangible shit that you don't know how to cook. Well, you know how to cook all this shit, bro. Like, come on now. If you are part of my community, then you know how to cook, bro. We ain't one of them dumbass niggas that don't know how to cook now. It's 2026. Niggas know how to cook, bro. I cook better than any female I know in life. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Can't no bitch cook better than me, honestly. That's wholeheartedly. But, you feel me? We ain't here to bash the ladies. We love the ladies here. Cooking the sushi bake. I'm gonna put on the screen a list of the items we have. I'm not about to list off all the motherfucking items I got. So I'm not doing that. This ain't your traditional cooking show. We doing shit my way, bro. I'm not even really gonna show you niggas how to cook shit. You niggas are just really watching me cook. Like, that's what the premise of this cook show is. You're just watching me cook. You feel me? Like, I'm not teaching you how to cook nothing. You're just gonna watch me cook some shit. And you're gonna pick up on it because it ain't hard. You feel me? It ain't hard. So, we're cooking our rice. Let's put our rice in this motherfucking bowl while we are at it. What we're gonna do is put our rice in the bowl because we made some rice. We have pre-cooked rice. I'm not, because I wasn't about to fucking cook my own rice. We doing this pre-cooked rice, bro. We're making everything simple. Now, shorty in the video, she used imitation crab. I'm never using no motherfucking imitation crab, so we got this shit. It's a little lump crab meat. This shit probably ass too, but I know it's probably gonna taste better than imitation crab. You know, we ain't doing none of that. We ain't doing none of that imitation crab shit, honestly. So, get our rice together. Right, boom. Add this spoon right quick, y'all. Alright. Now what we're gonna do with our rice. Is my camera still following me? Damn, I lost the track. What the fuck going on, gang? Don't tell me y'all not tracking me no more, bro. Don't tell me you ain't tracking me no more. Track me, bro. Stop playing. Whatever, bro. So what we're gonna do is, this shit. Make sure we got it. I'm all out of frame, but whatever. Y'all see rice? I can see that, right? Cool. What we're gonna do with our rice? We're going to put some rice vinegar and some sugar in this bitch. With the rice vinegar, we only really need like a cap full. We ain't going too crazy with it. Boom. Cap full of rice vinegar. A little bit more. Boom. And some sugar. I throw a little bit more sugar than most because I like sugar. You don't have to do that. You feel me? It's your recipe. You don't have to do what the fuck you want. You don't. When you watching these cooking videos of me cook, you don't have to do everything that I do exact to the T. You could do the shit however the fuck you want to do it, bro. It's your food, bro. I'm not telling you how to cook your food. Don't tell me how to cook mine, bitch. You feel me? So you cook our rice, right? Got that. We will need that rice later on. We're gonna put that to the side for now. No matter of fact, we are not going to put that to the side for now. What we're gonna do, we're gonna put our rice in this pan and spread it out. I don't think I needed that much fucking rice, but whatever. Pat our rice down, put our rice in this bitch, spread it out, pat it down. Actually need more rice, honestly. Look at me thinking I fucking know everything. Put all the rice. We gonna need all the rice in this bitch. Let me get all the motherfucking on pump 6. Need all the rice. Patting that out, straighten that out. What we're gonna do, get this rice real flat. Right, boom, boom, boom. It's like the prep work shit I should have did off camera, because who the fuck want to see me squish down rice? But hey, I'm gonna get the rice flat, squish, spread it around, evenly distributed. Measure distribution, boy, my label on my dick for you. This shit. Damn, this rice sticky as hell. Okay, now that's what we need. That's what we're going for. We need the stickiest of the rice. Flatten it, smooth it. Smooth the rice out. I feel like I could get this a little more flatter and smoother, but I don't want to do all that. So we might be good right here, honestly. Wholeheartedly. Alright, that's some good rice, y'all. Where's the Kelly, y'all? Alright. See, rice, flat. Put that to the side, because we're going to need that later. So, put that to the side. Next. Fuck are we doing next? Can opener. You can opener for my locker. Matter of fact, we're not done with the rice. I keep getting sorry, y'all. I'm like freestyling shit. What you want to do? Get some seaweed. Boom. We're gonna crush a little bit of seaweed. I'll put it in the rice. Dang. Man, this shit's childproof. Damn, I'm gonna crush the fucking seaweed, bro. Fuck. Anyway, crush this up anyway. Crush some seaweed up. Put that shit in the rice. Sprinkle it around. This rice is fucking sticky. Damn. Alright, we ain't gonna go too crazy on the seaweed though. Trimming, crushing, I'm missing little pieces. Seems like a little crazy, but yeah, I'm still going fucking crazy. Alright. Seaweed up, put it in the rice. Now we set that to the side. Alright, boom. Can opener. What y'all boys up to, man? Let me know something. How y'all week going? How y'all day going? If you are watching this, then I probably dropped the new episode of What's It Face already. Fucking Taco Bell, probably. Maybe I did. Maybe I didn't. I don't fucking know. You feel me? And like I said, the old girl in the video for the shit, she used imitation crap. I'm not using no motherfucking imitation crap. Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, this one crab don't even look bad. I thought the shit was gonna look bad. They don't even look bad. Okay. Now we got cream cheese, y'all. Salmon. Air fried the salmon. And we got lump crab. We're gonna add our shit together. In here. Let me smush my. Let me move this out the way right quick so I can see this. Salmon. I'm gonna just smush my salmon right quick. Salmon looking good. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Salmon looking good in all, bitch. Salmon looking good in all, bitch. Crush our salmon up. It's shaking everywhere, bro. I don't wanna just move the fucking camera, dickhead. Now I'm acting stupid. You niggas cannot see this shit. There you go. We gonna get better, y'all. We gonna get better. Don't y'all worry. We'll season our season my salmon with some Korean barbecue seasoning, Kinder's. I use Kinder's God. Y'all niggas need to sponsor me. Right? Damn, I'm making a fucking mess. Please excuse my messy work area, y'all. I'm a messy cook. I don't give a fuck. I'm not a fucking cook as you go. I mean, clean as you go type chef. I'm a messy ass nigga. So what we're gonna do is throw our lumping crab meat in with the sauce and cream cheese. Throw our salmon in as well. Boom, boom, boom. Alright. Oh, I can need some more salmon. Crush our salmon up. I'm getting it with my hands because it's my fucking food, bro. It's my kitchen, it's my food. I'm the only nigga eating this shit. So I'm gonna crush this up with my hands, bro. Who the fuck is gonna stop me? You niggas? You? The fuck? Nigga? You ain't never gotta eat my shit. Anyhow, crush that shit up, blah, blah, blah. This shit looks so fucking ghetto. This production looks so fucking ghetto, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. Let me clean up a little bit, bro. I'm fucking wildin'. I'm in this bitch like I don't got no home training, y'all. Please forgive me and excuse me. I'm in this bitch fucking Neanderthal, bro. Get it together, okay? Alright. With the salmon and the crab, we're going to mix in some sriracha. As much sriracha as you like. I don't really like my shit spicy like that. So I ain't even gonna do too much sriracha type shit. We're gonna throw in some of this spicy mayo. I'm gonna throw a lot of this shit in though. I fuck with this shit. Alright, boom, boom, boom. Throw that in. And onion. I throw onion in everything. And a lot of it, cause I love onion. So I'm just gonna throw a lot of onion in it. That's just my personal choice. Once again, adjust the shit to how you want to do it. You feel me? Now give me 1 second, y'all. We're gonna take a quick commercial break. Cause I'm gonna look at the original video, cause I think I missed a step. But let me check. Let me check the original video, y'all. We'll be right back. All right, be back. So yeah, come to find out, I was doing it right. So I ain't missed no steps. So this is what the shit gonna look like. Damn, that shit like. Boom. Right? Right? Good. Gucci. Damn, that shit following me. Stop following me, bitch. Preheat your oven. Hold up, y'all. Let me take this fucking camera phone off. Following me shit. Like, what the fuck we on? Move my shit down. Move my shit down, bitch ass nigga. Make my shit straight. Anywho, alright. Where we left off. This is where we left off. We done it. This is what it's gonna look like after you mix all that shit together. You feel me? Kinda like tuna on some shit. What we're gonna do next, preheat your oven while your oven is preheating at 350. Because we're gonna cook it in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes. But while we do that, we're gonna put that shit on top of the rice. Duh. Duh, nigga. Alright. Cook much? Fuck. Put that shit over our rice. Alright, boom. Man, I don't even need all that, honestly. But let's see. Spread it out. So y'all, I'm not a clean cook. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I be wanting to make this shit look like aesthetically pleasing, y'all, but that ain't my forte, bro. I'm not good at plating and making shit look aesthetically pleasing, bro. The shit gonna taste fucking good. Like, that's all that matters. You want the shit to look good or you want the shit to taste good, my nigga. Cause in life you can't always get both. So with me, you better know you're gonna get one of them bitches. This shit's going to taste fire. Now, is it going to look the best? Fuck no. Y'all probably looking at this shit right now like he is making some bullshit. But the shit gonna be fire, nigga. Like, trust the process, bitch. Like, have I ever lied to you niggas? Name 17 times where I've lied to you niggas. And if you can't, then, like, shut up, nigga. And trust the fucking process. Fucking doubt with me, nigga. Like, I held y'all niggas down for 17 summers. Now I ain't wanna act like I can't cook, bro. Like, come on now. I'm a sushi bake. I ain't about to die on the sushi bake hill. Alright, boom. That's what we want to look at. Now we're going to throw this bitch in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes. I will be back when that 20 minutes is done. Because the fuck y'all want to sit and look at me for 20 minutes? I think not. I think the fuck not. But yeah. We're going to throw that in the oven. I will come back in 20 minutes and we'll show the final product. So we put it in the oven for 20 minutes and then we're going to let it broil for another 5 minutes. And I'll be back.
Break on my face like a cell. Just out the wind in my hair. Cutting that paper like yeah.